Today we are looking at substitution. So basically our variable, our x or y or p or tiny drawing of a weird dog is replaced with a number, okay? So for our examples that we're going to do first, we're substituting an a for a 3, all right? We're substituting a b for a 15. So if I look at my first question, which is 6a, that's going to be the same as having 6 times 3, all right? 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6s are 18. Are we all down and diggy with that? Not too tricky. So 6a is the same as having 18. It's the same thing, it's the same amount. One's got some letters, one's just got numbers, all right? Now, if we have a look at our second question, we've made it a little bit more complicated than the first. So the first thing I'm going to do is swap all of those confusing letters out for numbers. So the first thing I've got is 7a. Remember, that's not 7 plus a, that's 7 times a. So it's going to be 7 times 3, okay, minus 2b, all right? Again, that's going to be a times. 2 times b, which was 15, okay? Now, we know that this means divided by, but for the sake of keeping it all nice and easy to understand, I'll just put it like this, divided by 3, okay? Now, let's start to simplify that a little bit more. So 7 times 3 gives us 21, all right? Don't forget to put in our minus, and we've got 2 times 15, which obviously gives us 30. Now bring down our divided by 3 here, okay? A lot of you can do probably more than one of these steps at a time, but I'm just trying to make it nice and easy to understand. So we've got 21 again, and let's do this sum we've got here. I've got 30 and I divide it by 3, which means I'm going to have 10. All right, now a nice simple last part of the sum, 21 take away 10 leaves us with 11. So this whole complicated looking thing here, so easy ends up as being 11, okay? So this is what you guys need to get started on your substitution work. Having a look at the first set of questions, yours will look like this on your PDF, and we're going to do the first two here together. So the first question there is find the value of the following expressions if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. So my first one there is 3a. All right. Now, if you remember there, A was equal to 2. All right. So this is going to mean 3 times 2. All right. Very easy. Looking at the second one, 7a, 7 times 2. All right. Nice and easy, okay? Everybody can have a go at those ones. Now, there does get to be a more complicated question if you go down to question 4. Now, you know it's a cool question because there's a picture of a pool. Ooh. Okay, let's read through this question together. The formula for finding the perimeter, P, of a rectangle of length L and width W is P equals 2L plus 2W. Use this formula to find the perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool at right. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is write down my formula.